At a Kabul-based training hall, 6 Afghan athletes competed in pairs to practice martial arts with limited equipment amid roasting weather, fully prepared for the 19th Asian Games that opens on September 23rd in China's Hangzhou. Mohammed Khaled Hotek, 30, is one of the most prominent wushu athletes on the team. He will join the men's Sanda 70 kilograms competition in Hangzhou.
طبعا ورزش وشو هم آورده هم صلح است، هم صمیمیت، دوستی، رفاقت و همچنان یک صلح برادری را در میان میاره. ما 3-4 بار در مقابل چین مسابقه کردیم و امروزشون از تجارب استفاده کردیم دیگه.
Hotek said that wushu is a relatively small sport in Afghanistan. Competing and winning tournaments, championships, and other games is the only way for them to earn a living in this profession.
ما در فامیلی 11 نفر هستیم الحمدلله و سپورت زیاد که مرا میکنه، پدرم میکنه. دیگه خوشبخت هستم الحمدلله که ما این ورزش به خوبی خوشی پیش میبرم.
Afghanistan's national wushu team will send 4 athletes, a coach, and a team leader to compete in wushu Sanda, a fighting system based on traditional kung fu and modern combat techniques. Established in 2000, the Afghanistan Wushu Federation has registered more than 6,000 wushu athletes from 28 provinces.
ملی ما 44 نفر پرسنل در تیم ملی پلیر داریم که این 44 نفر البته باید در تمرین‌های روزمره تیم ملی اشتراک بکنند.
Afghanistan plans to send 17 sports teams, including wushu, football, volleyball, and cricket, to participate in the Asian Games.